Hi, I'm Jim Abernethy here at a place we call the Chain. It's part of Tiger Beach. And as you can see, there's all kinds of lemon sharks all around me swimming. It's our first day here on this trip. And we're enjoying these beautiful lemon sharks, which in some places like Palm Beach, they're already wiped out. In Palm Beach, although the scientists and the community that dives with sharks joined together and protected them, unfortunately NOAA moved the season earlier so that fishermen could hunt them during their aggregation. And in essentially 1 year, they wiped them out. How sad. I'm not sure why NOAA is fighting against the states that have already established shark finning bans in their state. There's 8 of those so far. But at this present moment, I can tell you that NOAA is trying to overturn the state's shark fin ban. I'm wondering whose side they're on, because I don't think they're here protecting our environment as well as those of us that know without an abundance of apex predators on the planet, our oceans will fall apart because we need them as the controlling factor to keep our oceans in balance. Without the apex predator, we have a cascading collapse through our ecosystems, and pretty soon all that's left is jellyfish. So it's up to those of us that know what's going on in the ocean to tell those that aren't, so that we can all join together, because we all need healthy oceans. With over 70% of the oxygen that we breathe and over 50% of the protein that we eat coming directly or indirectly from our oceans, it's imperative that we all join together and try to protect this beautiful ocean while we still have the time. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again underwater here at Tiger Beach or some other spectacular place in the ocean.